Maraming suggestions na pwede nating sundin para magkaroon tayo ng happy marriage life. Ayan, unang-una, never both be angry at the same time. Huwag mo sabayan yung galit ng asawa mo. Isa-isa lang. Number 2, never yell at each other unless your house is on fire. Grabe kayo, magsigawan para kayong mga walang kapitbahay. Mahiya naman kayo, no? Nakakaloka. Number 3, if one of you has to win an argument, let it be your mate. Kasi tapos ang usapan. Number 4, if you have to criticize your spouse, do it lovingly. Mas masarap pakinggan, walang gulo. Number 5, never bring up mistakes in the past. Hoy, mag-move on ka na. Huwag mo nang ibalik-balik yung mga kamalian ng kahapon. Number 6, neglect the whole world rather than each other. Remember, you are already one, kaya huwag nyo nang kaligtaan ng bawat isa. Number 7, never go to sleep with an argument unsettled. Mas masarap kayong matulog nang wala kang kaaway, lalong-lalo na pag-asawa mo. Number 8, at least once every day, try one kind or complimentary word to say to your spouse. Diba? Parang ina-appreciate mo yung ginagawa niya. Number 9, when you have done something wrong, i-admit mo na. Huwag ka nang paligoy-ligoy pa. Aminin mo na. And number 10, it takes two to make a quarrel. And madalas, kung sino yung may mali, siya yung maraming sinasabi.